This is VegasLoveBug on YouTube. I'm 70 years old and I've been sick since Thursday night. I haven't had a good night's sleep in all this time, and I've had cold sweats. I think I've had a temperature of 106. I think it's the bird brain flu or something. Anyway, I thought I was going to go to church today, but I couldn't go. And I thought I was going to go to Yaamava tonight, but I figured I'm still pretty sick, and I didn't think I wanted to give this to anybody because it's real bad. I got chills, shakes, aches and pains all over. I had a sore throat. And I've been coughing like that. I coughed like that all Thursday and Friday night, all night long and all day long. And I am just really sick. And I'm posting this video because I had to put something in there. The show must go on. And tomorrow night, Monday night, if I feel like I've recovered, then I'll go to Yaamava and make a bunch more videos. But if I don't feel good tomorrow night, I'll make a couple videos of how to keep drumsticks from flying out of your hand, and also how to exercise your fingers a certain way of doing the drumstick so that you get stronger fingers for playing drums. And I hope none of my subscribers get this. It's really bad. Anyway, I only need 530 more public viewer hours, then I'll be able to make some YouTube money in stage 1. And since I already have over 1,000 subscribers now, then if I get 1,000 more public watch hours after that, then I'll be making a good money, and then I'll be able to get better equipment, and I'll make better videos and put more money in the machines and do a lot better. Tell a friend I need help. I need watch hours. Thank you so much, and I pray you don't catch this one. It's pretty bad. It's caused me to quit smoking, too. Last cigarette I had was Thursday night, and this is Sunday night, so I don't think I'm going to smoke anymore. That could be part of it, too. It made it this lots worse from smoking, and I probably have borderline COPD. Well, keep watching my videos, and please keep checking back and tell a friend, and thank you so much for helping me out on YouTube. Thank you, and VegasLoveBug is signing off.